A paedophile of Zimbabwean nationality who fell for deportation under Section 32 of the 2007 Borders Act. Quite rightly, he should have been deported. But a judge said no. A judge said no. Under their interpretation of the East, this is a UK judge, not Strasbourg, UK judge, they said this convicted paedophile might face some hostility if they were returned to Zimbabwe in a manner which breached their Article 3, not Article 8, Article 3 rights. And so the judge said, this convicted paedophile can stay here in the UK. Well, my question is this: what about the human rights of British children to be protected from paedophiles like that? What about the rights of British citizens to be protected from foreign offenders? There was another case, an Iraqi drug dealer who fell for deportation, rightly, back to Iraq, but a judge found that he had become, quotes, too westernised and therefore couldn't be returned to Iraq, his country of nationality and country of origin. Those are just two examples of thousands and thousands of examples where domestic UK judges have stretched the definition of ECHR articles in a way that defies all common sense and certainly, and let me finish the point, and certainly goes far, far beyond anything the original framers of the ECHR had in mind when they signed up to it in 1950. And that is why, as a first step, we propose to essentially repeal the Human Rights Act in relation to all immigration matters. And what that means is that domestic UK judges will no longer be able to apply their own creative and expansive interpretations of the ECHR when making immigration decisions. Instead, they will have to have regard solely and exclusively to domestic legislation that we have passed in this House. That strikes me as a common-sense measure that would end these ridiculous judgments being handed down and would enable the government to ensure that people with no right to be here and dangerous foreign criminals could in fact be removed, whereas at the moment judges are preventing that using interpretations that would completely defy common sense.